Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Semrush affiliate program account, detailed guide step by step clearly. First, visit the Semrush website and navigate to the affiliate program section. Look for the option to sign up or log in to your affiliate account. If you are a new user, click on the sign up button to create an account. Fill in the required information, including your name, email, and password. After completing the form, submit your information to create your account. Check your email for a verification link from Semrush. Click the verification link to activate your affiliate account. Once your account is verified, return to the Semrush affiliate program page. Log in using your registered email and password. After logging in, you will be directed to your affiliate dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the layout and available tools. Locate the section for generating affiliate links and promotional materials. Choose the products or services you want to promote. Generate your unique affiliate link for the selected Semrush offerings. Copy the affiliate link and save it for future use. Check for any promotional guidelines or tips provided by Semrush. Ensure you follow these guidelines when sharing your affiliate links. You are now ready to begin promoting Semrush and earning commissions. Regularly log into your affiliate dashboard to track your performance and earnings. Stay updated on any new promotions or resources provided by Semrush. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.